Hello friends, welcome your discussion about HackerHigh, a all-in-one cybersecurity suite, improving your personal security with a simple and interactive tool. Now, the digital world is constantly changing, and cybersecurity has become the main concern for the individuals, businesses, and the governments alike. HackerHigh is only the cyber protection app you will ever need. It gives advanced cybersecurity tools with a simple and developed interface, digital wallets, darknet monitoring, and unique educational program Cyber Boot Camp. More features like VPN, 2FA, secure storage, anti-phishing, and other tools will also come soon. The subscription model boosting the demand of high. In the subscription models, users to pay for the HackerEye subscription fee using high tokens as well as purchasing the additional services within the applications. Users who choose to pay for the HackerEye subscription will enjoy a 50% discount from the price tag. One of the important points is that HackerEye product will be marketed not just to the crypto community but also the wider mainstream audience, which indirectly creates the huge demand of the high token. So due to the huge discount, incentives and large audience base, the HackerEye user grows, the more high tokens will be purchased by the large of populations, creating the organic demand for the high tokens. The another method help to boost the high demand is the user acquisition. Currently more than 5000 unique registered users already joined the HackerEye family. From this we can see there is already a real interest and demand of the HackerEye product. According to the statistics, in the password manager market alone, there are more than 70 million users. VPH and niche anti-phishing software also boost million more users. This user acquisition campaign graph showing the massive increase in the registered users as HackerEye progressing with the beta launch, MVP release and official HackerEye launch first paying customers. For more information, you can also visit HackerEye Medium post, which is also available in the video description. HackerEye team also work tightly with the exchanges to improve their user security, improve business relations and get new users to the HackerEye. Based on the conservative calculation below, 1285 HackerEye users create 407,500 USD equivalent organic demand for the high token. From this, we can see how huge is the HackerEye. Cyber Boot Camp and Gamification. Cyber Boot, a free educational program, consists of 6 module educational program on the major cybersecurity topics. The Cyber Boot Camp will have over 30 unique achievements that can be unlocked. For each achievement unlocked, the users will receive a random collectible NFT hat. Hat can also be traded between the other HackerEye users in the hat NFT marketplace. So we get a huge incentives. It's a great thing. It creates an enjoyable experience every time when we access the app. This increases the chance of someone referring the app to his or her friends, ultimately leading to increase in the demand of the high tokens. The another most successful way is the high staking, which ensures the high growth potential. Users will be able to stake their high from within the HackerEye app to unlock the number of benefits that gives the immense values to the users. In the HackerEye staking program, there are 2 primary goals in order to maximize the value to the users. The first is bring the actual value to the stakers in the form of financial and non-financial incentives. And the second is build a partnership network for the HackerEye promotion to further stimulate the user growth. There are 4 staking levels based on the number of benefits included in the chart. You can refer this chart in the link given in the description. HackerEye staking program will give advantages over the several aspects of the HackerEye application and community status, including a free lifetime HackerEye subscription, potential financial gains, eligibility of the certain amount of Vito revenue sharing, honors level within the community, ability to participate in the governance of the project and many more. Hackneye also offering an 50% early bird discount on all staking levels. Due to all benefits, the more new users on the Hackneye, the more likely they will buy and stake their HAI tokens. This means it provides a continuous demand for the HAI tokens, all while simultaneously limiting and reducing the circulating supply, making it easier for the value of the tokens on the market to increase. So now we move towards referral staking and protect a friend partnership network. Staking also provides the exclusive access to the Hacken AI partnership and the referrals network. Users who stake their HAI tokens will be able to unlock the financial incentives through the Hacken AI Friend program. Protect a Friend program refers to the Hacken AI Revolutionary Referral Partnership Network. In this program, users who refer a friend to install the app and complete the cyber boot camp will earn HAI tokens. The rewards will increase depending on the one's staking level and will reward both a referrer and referee. If referred users stake their tokens as well, even more bonus will be awarded to the original referral. The Protect a Friend program is a supercharged word of mouth advertising model by rewarding both sides, that is, referrer and referee. It allows the Hackneye users base to increase exponentially, increasing the demand for the Hacken AI subscription and staking program and increase the demand for the HAI tokens. Now we at a conclusion. Hacken AI's simple and powerful tokenomics structure ensure that the success of the Hacken AI will be equal to the success of the HAI tokens. With all above discussed factors and the real demand of the cybersecurity, the Hackneye product will massively increasing so that the Hackneye value. For more information, visit hacken.ai. Thank you and have a nice day.